Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make sliding roof easy method. Measure the opening, sketch the frame, and choose lightweight materials like aluminum or treated timber for durability. Cut the panels to fit the frame and build a simple track using angle brackets and weather strip. Assemble the frame, secure the track, and test the slide before sealing edges. Keep tools handy and work with a helper for safer panel handling. Lay out the track using a straight edge and level to ensure smooth motion for the sliding roof panel. Fasten angle brackets to rafters or a header beam, keeping equal spacing and alignment across both sides. Install nylon rollers or rubber glides on the panel edges to reduce noise and friction during operation. Test the slide repeatedly, adjust shims if needed, and secure final fasteners. Regular lubrication maintains long-term smoothness. If this is useful, please subscribe and like to support future DIY content. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers keep screws, sealant tubes, and leftover screws organized and spill-free while you work, so you don't lose tiny parts between rafters. They stack neatly in your toolbox and make cleanup faster, which feels like a small magic trick on a messy job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare the sliding panel with a small clearance allowance for temperature changes to avoid jamming. Attach edge guides or rabbets so the panel stays on track while moving, and apply a continuous weather strip around the perimeter to block water and drafts. Seal screw holes and joints with exterior-grade sealant to protect against leaks. Adjust the rollers and check operation in wet conditions if possible, then recheck seals after a few uses.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.